Hey, what's up, Herd? It's Wednesday, October 30th. My name is Aaron, and we're back with a market update. Let's get on into the charts. Bitcoin got all the way up to all-time highs yesterday at 73,867 and is testing what was resistance, now support, at another higher high of 71,000 that we set back in June, guys. And I do think this could turn around in a hurry. The whale money flow doesn't seem to be coming into this, so we have to be cautious. It's very possible that we see this bleed out until the election, guys. That would be consistent with the previous election year if you go back to the previous cycle. And then we went down and sideways until the election, guys. And then Bitcoin broke out after that. So I do expect to see that into the next week, guys. Tuesday is the election. Go out and vote. Make sure your voice is heard in this election if you're an American citizen, guys. ETH breaking out today after it was pretty much flat yesterday. It is making up for lost time. Everything else seems to be pretty red today, but ETH is up almost 2%. In fact, it was up 2% just a couple of minutes ago. I do expect us to get above 2750, possibly even over 2800 in this leg up here, though it could roll over as we get into the election and then skyrocket after. BNB is testing current support, guys. We got back above this upward trending support line, now retesting currently. Whale money flow is low on this, so I do expect to see a turnaround shortly. I'm betting that this is going to happen closer to the election, possibly just the days before, but we'll see what happens over the next week. Solana went on a really nice tear over the last 4 days and is correcting currently, coming back toward the mean here, sitting currently at $174. Whale money flow starting to trickle out of this. We will likely see this come down until the election day, like I suppose with all of the other coins. SWI made a massive move yesterday, looking very similar to Bitcoin. In fact, went up above support, which was resistance at $2, is coming down and is retesting it right now. If we get a bounce off of this, guys, I'd be super happy to see this, as I have made a significant bag farming SWI and Cetus through this move up and down, and then moving it all into SWI to make sure that I capture this upward movement that I expected coming up. Whale money flow is coming into this super strong after we dipped down low to match previous times that we have gone up in whale money flow, so I do expect this to go higher, guys. Will we see it go above all-time high at 236 before the election? We will yet to see. Getting into the elephant money ecosystem, Trunk up 0.7 today, has been on a generally downward trajectory basically since August, guys. I would love to see this turn around, and I do think this will happen when we get the NFT marketplace up and running for Unlimited 2.0. Elephant down 1%, traveling basically sideways, slightly upward since August as well. Let's take a look at a couple of the other coins that we've partnered with. GNME down significantly, guys. Would love to see a recovery on this. Keep mining this, and that is what I'm doing personally. I do think we could see another move into this in the near future, as we have seen accumulation for some time now. And last but not least, DOGAI reached considerable tops around 1.2 cents and is currently down 0.23 cents. I think this is a great time to get into this. If you missed this first opportunity, guys, I do expect this to go up much, much higher, especially with the herd getting behind it at this point. Before I go, guys, I wanted to mention that Bitcoin dominance has hit the 60% mark. And if you watch one of the best technical analyzers in the YouTube space on Bitcoin, Ben Cohen, he has been talking about 60% Bitcoin dominance for the better part of the last 2.5 to 3 years. And we have hit that mark now. It is time to see an alt season, guys. Could we still see a little bit higher for Bitcoin dominance? Absolutely. But I think this is a strong point of resistance for the Bitcoin dominance. And we should see this turn around, giving us a much needed alt season. Even the ETH Bitcoin pair has started to turn around, guys, and I do think this could be the beginning of a long uptrend for Ethereum against Bitcoin. And in general, this is the indicator for the start of the major alt season. With that, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content just like this. Make sure to get into our plays, guys. SWI is doing fantastic. Get into GNME while it's accumulating, as well as DOGAI before it does another parabolic run. Have a great day, guys. God bless.